This is a little tip if you snowplow with your truck and something that'll save your batteries. I went through probably a battery every couple of years. I have dual batteries in the truck. I have one there and I have the factory one over there. And I added the second one because it's just so hard on the battery when you're plowing. You see your lights dimming at night every time you operate the plow. So the trick is to make sure your battery is charged up when you're done. Now, if it's minus 20 or minus 30, and you say, well, I drove for half an hour after I was finished, or I let it idle for half an hour, your battery is not recharged. And you'll find that out on a cold night when you park your vehicle and your battery is useless in the morning. And once it freezes, it bulges. And if the battery is not topped up, the concentration of the acid in the battery has changed, and it will freeze if it's not charged well. So in any case, I had that happen numerous times when it would go to minus 35 or thereabouts. And I'd end up changing the battery, and away I'd go again. I'd be good for a year or two. So what I did was I bought a small charger, and that's it right there. It's just a 6 amp automatic battery charger. And it's connected directly to this battery. These are the cables for it right here. I had to cut the clamp off the end and put a ring terminal on, and the ring terminal is right here on the bolt. So it's connected to the batteries, and every time I stop plowing, I'm finished and I park the truck, I have the cable routed over here and I plug it in, and the battery charger immediately comes on, which kind of tells you they're low, because it's when the vehicle's not running and the batteries are low, the charger will kick in. It won't if they're well charged. It always kicks on and tops them up and then floats it at 13.3 or 13.4, whatever it might be. And I can leave it parked there as long as I want, but when I take the vehicle again, I unplug it. But if I plow, I plug it in and let it charge. It tops both batteries up. They won't freeze at night. And if you think you're charging your batteries back up in cold weather in half an hour of running the truck, you're not. You're putting a surface charge in them, but there is not a good charge in them. When it's extremely cold, batteries have a very hard time accepting a charge, and it takes a long time to recharge a battery when the temperature of the battery is minus 20 or 30. So anyway, if you do something like this, it's very simple. That's an inexpensive charger. It will save your batteries. I don't think I've changed a battery since I did this. That little charger has been in one truck or the other for the last 6 or 8 years, and I have not had to change a battery as long as I'm following that rule and plugging it in when I'm done and letting it top off. I have a high output alternator in my truck, but at idle, a high output alternator is not outputting a lot. So it's not charging the batteries well while we're plowing because it's only idling. Anyway, I hope that might help somebody. Do this and you'll have no more battery problems. So anyway, if you find that useful, please like and subscribe.